jalur 3 Pak ya.
Iya. Terima kasih.
Jalur 3 sebelah sana.
Welcome to Rail Plane Traveller. I am now at the Tugu station in Yogyakarta, waiting to take the train called the Ranggajati, which originates in the city of Cirebon, going all the way to Jambil. I am joining the train here in Yogyakarta, going all the way to Surabaya GUBENG station. And right now I'm in the Anggrek Lounge. This is a passenger lounge that has been just introduced by more than a year by Indonesian Railways, PT KAI, and for 65,000 rupiah you get access to this very comfortable lounge where you can wait your train. That 65,000 rupiah gains you entry for 3 hours. There's a smoking room, comfortable seating, and also food for you. And with that, join me on my trip from Yogyakarta to Surabaya GUBENG. If you don't want to use the lounge, there are many cafes and food outlets for you to choose from. Train arrived on time. My Executive 4 coach was made in 1986 but has been refurbished. Single seat or Jomblo seat in Executive 4 has great leg room, power points and tray table, perfect for the trip. Shortly after leaving, we passed the Jogja airport. Soon the crew came by with the first of many runs through the coach with a selection of meals, drinks and snacks. They looked smart in their new grey uniforms and were friendly. They also issued receipts for every purchase, which is great. I had the nasi ayam padang, which was really nothing to shout about. That crew was changing the pillowcases after every time a passenger disembarked to ensure that the next passenger gets a clean pillow, which is excellent. Almost at every station, the water supply for the coach was topped up. Another great service is that you could WhatsApp or use the PTKI app to order food and have it sent to your seat. This time the nasi goreng was just a bit better than the earlier meal. At Barat station, we crossed the Ranggajati going in the opposite direction. This was a pleasant surprise. This is the DMU, made by Inca of Indonesia for the Philippines National Railway and undergoing dynamic test. Even before the train could stop, porters were rushing on board trying to look for customers. We arrived about 10 minutes late at the Surabaya GUBENG station. Once again, it was a pleasant trip with Indonesian Railways PT KAI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.